You can make a delicious, authentic Spanish paella, the most popular dish of Spain, in your own kitchen with simple ingredients like rice, saffron, vegetables, chicken, and seafood. Here is a recipe for Spanish paella. Ingredients needed for Spanish paella: 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil, Spanish EVOO if you have it. 1 onion, diced. 1 bell pepper, diced. I like to use red and green. 4 cloves garlic. 3 Roma tomatoes, very finely diced, or 8-ounce tomato sauce. Bay leaf. 1 teaspoon paprika, sweet or smoked. 1 pinch saffron threads. Salt and pepper as per your need. 1/4 cup white wine, boneless, skinless chicken thighs, cut into pieces. 1/4 cup fresh chopped parsley, chopped, divided. 2 cups Spanish rice. 5 cups chicken broth. 1/2 cup frozen peas. 1/2 pound jumbo shrimp or prawns, about 12 peeled, tail on. 1/2 pound mussels, about 10 to 12, cleaned properly, beards off. 8 as calamari ringselmans, for garnish. How to prepare paella. 1. Add olive oil to a skillet over medium heat. 2. Add the onion, bell peppers, and garlic, and cook until onion is translucent. 3. Add chopped tomato, bay leaf, paprika, saffron, salt, and pepper. Stir and cook for 5 minutes. 4. Add white wine and cook for 10 minutes. Taste and add salt if needed. 5. Add chicken pieces, 2 tablespoons chopped parsley, and rice to the pot. Cook for 1 minute. 6. Pour the broth slowly all around the pan and jiggle the pan to get the rice into an even layer. Do not stir the mixture going forward. 7. Bring mixture to a boil. Reduce heat to medium-low. 8. Give the pan a gentle shake back and forth just once or twice during cooking. We don't ever stir the rice, so that a crispy crust forms at the bottom, called a sokora. 9. Cook for about 15 to 18 minutes uncovered, then nestle the shrimp, mussels, and calamari into the mixture. Sprinkle peas on top and continue to cook without stirring for about 5 more minutes. 10. Watch for most of the liquid to be absorbed and the rice at the top nearly tender. If for some reason your rice is still not cooked, add cup more water or broth and continue cooking. 11. Remove pan from heat and cover pan with a lid or tin foil. Place a kitchen towel over the lid and allow to rest for 10 minutes. 12. Garnish with fresh parsley and lemon slices. Enjoy your homemade Spanish paella.